Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to request for a refund on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to request a refund just because you didn't find that the item was described as it was supposed to be, or you no longer needed the item. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that first we're going to log onto our Temu account. Next, you're going to click on Orders on Account, which is right over here. And then afterwards, you're going to find a list of all your orders. So depending on the order that you want to go ahead and refund, all you have to do is find the order and then click on Return/Refund and then indicate whether you received your package. So here, we're just going to click on Yes. And afterwards, with that, you just need to follow the on-screen prompts as far as returning an item goes. So you can see here that you can only get one free return of one or multiple items for every order. And to avoid additional shipping fees for multiple returns, please select all the eligible items you want to return from this order. So here you can see that we only have one item to select. You could select the reason for return and also select the return quantity and then click on Next Step. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and request a return on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.